Hello everyone, hope you're all fine. Since a long time, many of you were asking me to make a video on kitchen utility items that are available online. Also, I wanted to buy few time saving kitchen tools to make my kitchen chores easy and quick. So, I started searching them online. As I was exploring, I found ShopClose has this awesome collection of household and kitchen items at craziest discounts. So, I bought these products. This is pineapple cutter, flour sifter, slicer cum dicer for vegetables, and this is portable blender, corn stripper, and washing cum draining basket. Now let us see these products in detail. Also check how each of these products will actually work in real. By the way, if you would like to buy any of these products, please check description. You can download ShopClose app and search for the product IDs and order them accordingly. So this is Magic Rotate Vegetable Slicer Dicer with draining basket. I can say this is a great kitchen helper. You can scrape, cut, slice and wash vegetables easily and also drain them directly. It is very comfortable and can be controlled with one hand. All the parts are very easy to assemble and clean. The package consists of a peeler, a vegetable holding head, and six type of multi-style blades that you can choose according to your requirement, and also a rotating basket in which you can easily wash vegetables and drain them directly without any hassles. It is very easy to change the blade. Just hold the blade two sides and pull it up. Remove this blade and place the other blade which you wanted to do. Just hold it and press it. Now the blade is ready to be used. Just attach this holder to the basket. Make sure it is properly placed. So friends, I liked this product very much. The product is very sturdy and of good quality. Blades are also so sharp, so you can definitely try this one. This is 3 in 1 floor sifter, very easy to operate and handy. Just press the handle and spring technology will sift your floor, and it is light in weight, disher safe and very sturdy. Three sizes of stainless steel mesh plates are provided and you can choose according to your requirement. Just hold the mesh in the middle, slightly press it and remove, and place the other mesh. See that the heads are exactly matching. Just press it in the middle and rotate. Now the other mesh is fixed. Now I am taking some basin flour and let's see how it works. Wow, this is working perfectly, friends. You can definitely give it a try. So, friends, let us move to the next product, a set of corn strippers, and they have got circular blades in the middle which can be used to remove corn kernels from the cob, and you can choose any one of these stripper according to the size of the corn. Now let's see how it works. Make sure sharp edges of this blade come intact with the corn. Place it exactly in the center of the corn and start rotating the head. As the head rotates around the corn, kernels get separated from the cob. Now let us test this second attachment also. It has got a screw. With this screw, you can adjust the header size according to the size of the corn. This is an awesome product, friends. I was amazed to see corn being stripped precisely. Very satisfied with this product. A must buy. And the next one is this portable and rechargeable juicer cum blender. This multifunctional blender has a USB port, so it is easy to use while traveling, and it can be recharged using your mobile or mobile charger or power bank. If you remove the upper lid, you can find a filter here. This separates pulp from the juice, so you can directly consume the juice from this filter. Now I am trying to make some carrot juice using this blender. I am slicing the carrots, and to this I am adding some salt and a pinch of pepper powder, some water. Now turn it on. As you can see, pulp has been separated and the juice is ready to drink. Similarly, you can make protein shakes or fruit juices. Using this cable, you can recharge your blender. So this is slot for recharging. One side you can connect to blender, the other side you can connect to charger or power bank. This is one way, and the other way is you can connect one side to the USB port and other side to your mobile. So both the ways you can charge your blender, and it has got a double safety protection switch and also charge and discharge protection. Basically a good quality blender with many options. And the next one is this pineapple slicer, a clever kitchen tool that peels, cores and slices a whole pineapple within a short time. Just fix these both heads and take a pineapple, cut it around the top and stick this device in the center of the pineapple and twist it down the pit. The integrated blades perform the action, the pineapple gets sliced up. This product is also good, but you need to apply a little effort while slicing the pineapple. And the last one is this washing cum straining bowl. So, the concave part of the bowl perfectly allows you to soak and clean the grains, while the strainer on the other side helps you drain the water without letting the food particles flow along. This is easy to clean and store and is available in multiple colors. So, this bowl will be a helpful addition to your kitchen, made of durable plastic and also dishwasher safe. So, friends, these are all the products that I bought recently from ShopCruise. If you like any of these products, you can search the product in ShopCruise app using the product IDs that are provided in the description box. And I hope this video is useful. If so, please subscribe to my channel and encourage me. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.